Parts of the Gulf Coast, including New Orleans, are under a hurricane watch as a tropical storm moves through the Gulf and gains strength in those warm waters. South Florida residents already feeling the impact of Tropical Storm Sally, with heavy rain and strong winds in Miami on Saturday night. NBC meteorologist Bill Karins is following that storm for us. Bill, good morning. How's it look?
Good morning, Willie. The forecast has gotten much worse overnight for the New Orleans area, and it looks like the levee system is going to get its biggest test since Hurricane Katrina. Let me fill you in on the details. The new update from the Hurricane Center. The storm is now expected to make landfall just south of New Orleans late Monday night into Tuesday morning as a Category 2 hurricane. So this has gotten serious in a hurry. And with that position of landfall, that angle of approach puts a horrendous storm surge potentially into areas just to the east of New Orleans and maybe even into areas like Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Borgne. So here's the storm surge forecast, and that bright red color gets your attention immediately. 7 to 11 feet is possible with a worst case storm surge scenario, and that would include areas like Lake Borgne. That's that little area to the right of New Orleans, and that borders up against the lower 9th Ward, which we all know well from Katrina. And then on top of that, Willie, we could get 10 to 20 inches just to the east and on top of New Orleans. This is a dangerous situation. They have to make very difficult decisions regarding evacuation orders today.
All right, we'll be watching closely. I know you will too, Bill Karins. Thanks so much.